For which set of probabilities would events A and B be independent? So like I do with most of my problems, I'm going to check out the formula sheet and see if there's anything on there that can help me. And this information on probability is in the bottom of the formula sheet. And it says right here that there's a multiplication rule for independent events. So I'm feeling pretty good about this. What it says is, if you want to find the probability of A and B, it has to be equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. So we're just going to go through and we're going to check each of these. So I'm going to plug them into the order it says. Probability of A and B, that's 0.5. That has to equal the probability of A, which is 0.25, times the probability of B, which is 0.25. And I'm going to check to see if that works. So I'm going to take 0.25 times 0.25, and that equals 0.0625. So since it doesn't equal what we want, those are not independent. All right, let's try the next one. Again, we're just plugging it into this formula right here. So the probability of A and B is 0.12. Then the probability of A is 0.08 times the probability of B, which is 0.4. So I'm going to multiply this side out to see if it equals 0.12. And it equals 0.032. So that does not equal what I want, so it is not independent. We're just going to keep going through checking based on this multiplication rule. So probability of A and B is 0.32. Probability of A is 0.16. Probability of B is 0.24. Multiply 0.16 times 0.24, and it doesn't equal 0.32, so that's not our answer either. All right, so we're going to check the last one. A and B is 0.045. We want that to equal the probability of A, which is 0.3, times the probability of B, which is 0.15. And it does equal 0.045. Hip, hip, hooray. So D is our answer.